My last question, I'll go first to Mr. Pradhan and then I'll come to Mr. Gharpure. The question is, like, we do a lot of planning and we do kind of categorizing and all that stuff, but how important is to continuously monitor stakeholder engagement till the end of the project? Is it something needs to be done only in the initial and planning stages, or is it something that happens throughout till the end?
No, it's very important to monitor the engagement with the stakeholder throughout the project, stakeholders throughout the project. It's not a one-time job. Maybe initially we can plan, this will be my communication strategy and so on. Because when we are starting the project, many times we are not sure that how the particular person will behave, and but then over a period of time, let us say when you are in a project, over a period of time, you always know that what would be the typical reaction of any particular person. There are always negative stakeholders and positive stakeholders in the project, always there. So if during the project, whenever you come across all such negative stakeholders, it is more important to engage with those stakeholders and I will not say satisfy them. It's not the word satisfaction, but then managing their expectation is very important. So say, that typical particular stakeholder is very fussy about. So I will just to give my example. In one of our very large project, we did it for Mahindra project. There were few stakeholders were reluctant to give a proper testing. So we ensure that we are getting a sign off from them, and then only we move ahead, because those are the only troublemakers. We were knowing that they will definitely create a lot of trouble going forward. So we ensured that they are signing the first, because those are the negative. We identified the stakeholders during the project, and throughout the project we ensured that those are the stakeholders who are talking good about us, and that actually determined the success of the project. So it is not only a start of the project, but throughout the project, the engagement with the stakeholder is extremely important. Yeah.
So I will give a specific example of a project in Kuwait. Just to explain, the stakeholder management strategy also need to be changed during the course of time. You might have adopted something at the beginning. While seeing the results of it, you need to change it sometimes. The project management consultants were an international firm, and the client and this project management consultant firm were very professional. Hence, they need to be dealt in a particular way. Whereas the architectural and technical consultants, vendors and suppliers were the local firms. But just because the client and project management consultants were very, international and very professional, these people started appearing as if they are also very professional. When we started dealing all of them in a very professional way, and Kuwait is a small country, so there were limited local vendors and suppliers. While dealing with everyone in the same way professionally, we noticed unfavorable trend in the behavior of consultants. Analyzing deep down, we noticed that because it's a small country, the vendors, the consultants, and the suppliers were affiliated in one or the other way with each other, and hence needed a totally different kind of dealing. Approximately halfway through, we changed the engagement strategy with some of these stakeholders to turn it over and make it favorable for us. So you need to deep dive and understand the engagement of stakeholders, not only with the project, but with each other also. So, apart from the project, how they behave with each other, how they are engaged with each other is also need to be known.
Right.
Okay, great. So it's a full-time job, project management,
right.
Stakeholder engagement.
Okay,
great. So, Mr. Pradhan and Mr. Gharpure, it was an wonderful session. Thank you so much for throwing light on the practical implication of concepts that we study in PMBOK Guide. Through your rich experience across industries, across the globe, we have really got amazing insights. Thank you so much for being on the panel.
Thanks, Tasneem, and for the wonderful interview. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Tasneem. Thank you.